Ukraine's drone surveillance spotted a Ural supply truck pushing a Kamaz truck away from mud, most likely getting stuck and broken down in the mud. As Ukraine sent FPV drones to take out the target, only the immobilized Kamaz truck was left, resulting in an already broken down truck to get destroyed. But Ukraine's drone army could also target the cargo, which seemed to be fuel in containers, making a quite large fire to break out as more and more fuel catches fire, making the truck to burn down, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.